Today, we're going to walk you through the replacement of the air filter in your AprilAire air purifier. But before we begin, don't forget to ensure that you have the right filter. All compatible filters are listed on the inside of the cabinet door. Now, let's begin. First step to changing the air filter in your AprilAire air purifier is to turn your thermostat's mode off and the fan to auto. Now that your thermostat and HVAC system have been turned off, open the door to your air purifier and remove the filter that's currently installed. Dispose of the filter once you are all done. With the old filter removed, you are now ready to install your new AprilAire air filter. Make sure that the arrow on the airflow sticker points towards your furnace or air handler. Align the entry points on the filter with the top and bottom of the interlock rail system. Once you've connected the filter, push it into the air purifier. You'll notice that there is filter media that sticks out of the cabinet. As you replace the door on the unit and push it closed, the filter will create a seal that prevents particulates from passing by. Once you've installed your new filter, return your thermostat to its original settings. And that's it. For more information on AprilAire air purifiers and other products, visit AprilAire.com.